The repair shop customer cries over fixed ice cream maker. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these news. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or service. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Fans of the BBC One show will know how some of the items which appear on the repair shop are of emotional significance to the guests, who often struggle to hold back tears after Jay Blades and his team have worked their magic. Tonight, Peter Mason from Herefordshire had a kitchen curiosity from a bygone age for the team to tackle. The item in question was quite the curious one. The ice cream maker was a bucket in which a tin. This is where the sweet mixture to make ice cream went, and the crank mechanism churned it while the ice in between the layers cooled it. Jay himself was quite baffled by the odd item. And that just makes ice cream? He asked. My grandma and I used to spend each summer making ice cream in this thing. She used to say, Peter, do you want ice cream? And I would say, yes please Granny, and she would go in the kitchen, make up the mix. She would come in with it in a tin, stick the ice in it, and we would sit in the front room and I would turn this for about 20 minutes. The top would come off and there would be the ice cream, and it was always vanilla. Peter also mentioned how his grandmother Ethel was given the item when she left her job at the big house, which again threw. Hold on, what's the big house? Asked the presenter before his guest explained it was how in the family they used to refer to the grand houses, upstairs downstairs where his grandmother worked. Before he left Dominic Chinia to tackle the restoration project, Jay reiterated, it's a bucket that makes ice cream. Imagine that? You have definitely made my day. Despite the novelty of the item itself, Peter had quite an emotional attachment to it, saying it is the one thing I have to remind me of my grandmother and the wonderful legacy she left us. We were very close. When I look at the ice cream maker now, I see it less than it was, and I feel she and the ice cream maker deserve more than that, he added. Dominic had to take the entire bucket apart but was able to fully refurbish the ice cream maker and make it food safe and fun. When he returned to the repair shop to collect his restored ice cream bucket, Peter was excited to see the machine unveiled from underneath the He gasped when he saw the beautifully repaired machine, bringing a hand to his face. It's beautiful, he said. Actually, I wasn't going to cry. I'm shaking. I can't tell you what this means to me. It's beautiful, he continued, and then thanked the team. Those watching at home saw Peter explore all of the changes made, and when he opened the lid, he found a pleasant surprise. The team had already churned a batch of fresh ice cream for him. Trending, is it real ice cream? Is it really ice cream? Is it vanilla? Do you have a spoon? He asked. It's just so special. Jay then asked if they could share the ice cream with the rest of the team who were already on the sidelines waiting. I thought you were never going to ask, remarked one crewman. As he left the repair shop, Peter noted how the last time I saw the ice cream maker working I was about 4 or 5, so quite a few years ago now. It brings her back to life to me. I am there beside the fireplace with my grandma. That's why it's important to me.